this afternoon from Ship Juliet 9, headed by Captain Liberty C. Gamita, Philippine Navy, GEC, ma'am, welcome. To our CDC Director, Colonel Riando P. Rubio, Infantry GEC Philippine Army, sir, good afternoon. Also the staff of U9, from U9, Captain Pura, sir, good afternoon. To our Ilibinoted CDC, Lady Reserve Infantry Battalion, headed by Lieutenant Colonel Ribamonte, sir, good afternoon. And their staff, Lieutenant Colonel XO, Inocencio, sir, and S3, First Lieutenant Secretary, sir, and our company commander here is Bravo Company Commander, Lieutenant Tesoro, and Finance Officer, Lieutenant Falcon, ma'am, our newly installed field artillery battery, Major Jace, wala pa, Major Jace, and Delta Company Commander, First Lieutenant Lacos Alex, sir, and First Lieutenant Rosalia from Delta Company. The personnel of 11 notice CDC, organic personnel, here is Staff Sergeant Lugo, they are ISTO, and our organic personnel from the Filipino CDC, FC Morales, our sport, and Technical Sergeant Asnar, our Snappy MC, Sergeant Manigaw. Ladies and gentlemen, officer here and organic personnel, it's my pleasure to welcome you all at headquarters 11 OP CDC, 11 RCDG, Reserve Command Philippine Army, the home of citizen army builders. Once again, good afternoon.